20-year-old man held with stolen motorcycle. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 20-year-old Richard Salke, otherwise called Prince of Constitution Hill in St. Andrew, has been charged with larceny of a motorcycle at an address along Cedar Valley Road, Kingston 6, between Thursday, April the 3rd and Friday, April the 4th. Reports from the Halfway Tree Police are that at around 3 p.m., a man parked and securely locked his motorcycle with a chain and retired to bed. The following morning, he awoke around 8 a.m. and discovered that his motorcycle had been stolen. He reported the matter to the police, who initiated an investigation. Salke was found in possession of the stolen motorcycle in Augustown, Kingston 7. It was seized and he was taken into custody, where he was charged on Friday, April the 11th, following an interview in the presence of his attorney. He is slated to appear in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Tuesday, April the 15th. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.